Good girl siya ngayon. The good girl. Ayan, akala ko si Althea.
Ano ba yung tanong?
Wow.
Medyo,
eh.
Hello po, yes po, ano po yung tanong?
Oh.
I'm
Would
not
you
in the habit of repeating my question, but for you, I will repeat.
Well, thank you so much. That's an honor.
Yes.
Atake.
Your Honor, the question is, which is the lesser evil? The onslaught of malfunctioning idiots,
Language!
the government,
Charot lang.
or the conscienceless, corrupt politicians who steal by the millions or by the billions?
I think the second one.
Which is?
Which is
Lesser evil, the second one?
Yes, yun ba yung conscienceless politicians
Who steal by the billions or by the millions?
Yes.
Lesser evil! I don't think you've understood the
Careful.
question.
Ay, ayoko na po sagutin, mali pala ako. Charot lang.
Oh.
Pero yes, sir, anything else? Sorry, medyo hindi ko po naintindihan yung tanong. Pero po, sasagutin ko po yan, yes. Ang lesser evil po, I guess, ay... Ano yung una nga? Think ko yung una po. Yung una, yes. It's the, I think, it's... Ano ba yung una?
Malfunctioning idiots.
The idiots. Okay, are we talking about yung mga tao po ba dito? Yung mga botante? Ano po ba? Yung government.
Malfunctioning idiots mass-produced by the government.
Okay, yes. Actually, yes. It's the lesser evil po. Kasi, to be honest, we are all just victims of this system. This corrupt system. It actually birthed yung sinasabi niyo pong malfunctioning idiots, which is the same reason rin kung bakit po natin naboboto ang mga politician kurakot na nagnanakaw sa atin.
Okay.
Pero, yes.
It's Christmas time.
And it's Christmas time. So, hindi ko sila mumurahin.
As a sweet girl ka rito sa SRR, Sasa Girl, no?
Actually, no, magnanakaw
Ay, wow.
ako dito. So, ayun.
Nililis ko na, pinahit mo pa dun sa...
Hindi po ako, sweet girl dito. Medyo may pagka-street smart ng onte. Yes, ayun. Okay, nakabahan ako sa mga tanong. Nakakaloka. Baka mamaya makasuha na talaga ako. Thank you po. Merry